Good morning, students. Now, today my lectures on the Harris corner detections. Myself, Asant Taji, Assistant Professor, Engineering College, Ajmer. Now, before these lectures, we have to see about the half transform. Then half transforms applications is the Harris corner detections. Now, this the Harris corner detections image content of transferred into the local features coordinates that are the invariant to the translations, rotations, scales, and other imaging parameters. Features points are used for the image alignment, 3D reconstructions, motion tracking, object recognitions, indexing and database retrievals, robot navigations. Now the Marweg corner detections. This algorithm is invented in the 1980. We should easily recognize the points by looking through a small window, then shifting a windows and any directions should give a large changes in intensities. Marvis corner detections is the like we are taking to the in between to we are finding the plates, then this is the edge, then this is the isolated points. By this we are finding the isolated points. Marvis corner detections is the change of the intensity for shift like this algorithms EV equal to, this is the window functions, then this is the shift intensity x plus u y plus v, then minus intensity is I x y, then square of this window functions like to this is the one is for window, then 0 for outside. For the four shiftage are this 1 0 1 1 0 1 minus 1 0. Look for the local maxima in the minimum of E. Problems of the Marweg detectors: noisy response due to the binary Windows functions, respond to law strong for the edge because only the minimum of E is taken into the account. Harris corner detection solve these problems. How? So now the problems are there. Can noisy response due to the binary windows of the functions, then respond to the strong for the edge because only the minimum of E taken into the accounts. So these problems solved by the Harris corner detections. So now the its combined corners then edge detectors. So there is in these functions in this graph we are finding that this is corner, this is corner. So how it will be find to this. Now change the intensity of shift values. This is the window function. This is the shift intensity. This is the intensity. Now here what happened here? Here only the window functions will be changed. Now this there is we are using the window functions as a plate rectangular square rectangular, then this is the Gaussian. Now it is using to the Gaussian's window functions is here. But what happened in the window Gaussians? Because Gaussians is having the similarity of both the sides. So now the change of the intensity for the shift UV like to this functions for nearly constant patches will this will be the near zero. For every distinguished patches this will be the larger, hence we want to the fetch every uv is the large. So how it will be find? This is the Taylor series for the 2D functions like this, then first derivative, second derivative, then third partial derivative, then first order of the approx edge like to this fxy plus this one. Now like to this, then first order approach, then rewrite the metric equations. Then here is detectors mathematics. For small shift uv we have a bilinear approximations uv equal to uv m matrix of this uv, where m is the 2 cross 2 matrix computed from to the image derivative. M equal to wxy I square, this is the matrix, then this is the window functions. Now here is corner detections intensity change in the shift window eigenvalues analysis like to this uv, then lambda 1 and lambda 2 is the eigenvalues of the matrix. Now ellipse is the constant. The directions of the past state changes, directions of the past state changes like to this lambda equal maximum minus this directions of the slowest changes. Now linear in these functions we are seeing to the linear edges, there is the plate edges, there is the corner. Floating derivative is the 2D points like to this we are plating, this is the corner plating, this is the plate plating, this is the edge plating like to this. It is also the, if the lambda 1 lambda 2 is the small, So it is a flat. It's a one is lambda 1 and lambda 2 is the larger than is the corners. If the one lambda 1 larger than lambda 2, then it is the edge. Harris detectors is the mathematics classifications of the image point using to the eigenvalues of matrix. Lambda 1 and lambda 2 are the small. E is the almost constant in the all directions. Edges of L2 is the greater, then both are the larger is the corner plate region like to this, then this is the edge. Measure of the corner response R equal to determinations of M minus K trace of M square. Determinations of M equal to multiplications of the lambda trace of M summations of the lambda. Harris detectors like to the respond in the R2. R2 depend on the eigenvalues of M. R is the larger is the corner, R is the negative with the larger magnitudes for the N edge, R is the small for the plate regions. Measure of the corner response R equal to determinants of M minus a K trace of M square. Determinants M equal to multiplications of lambda, determinations of summations of the lambda. Depend only the on eigenvalue of and R is the largest for the corners, then R is the negative with the large magnitudes, then R is the small for the plate regions. This is the Harris corner decision. Compute x and y derivatives for the image. So here we are choosing to the I equal to gradient of x and multiplications of I or Iy equal to gradient of y multiply of. Compute the product of derivatives at the every pixels like to this fx square equal to x ix iy iy2 equal to iy then like to this, then compute the sum of the product of derivative like to this, then define at each pixels x y the matrix like to this matrix, then compute the response of the detectors at the each pixels. Determinations of h minus k trace of h, then threshold on values of r, then compute the known maximum separations. Average intensity change in the directions of this which can be expressed as by linear functions. This is the bilinear functions. Then describe a point in terms of the eigenvalues of m. Measure the corner of response like to this. Then good points should have to the large intensity changes in all directions. R should be larger one positive. This is the example of this where we are detecting the corners here. We are detecting also the corners here. Same here, same here in the Harris detectors workflow. So how it will be detected like to this. Find the point where the large corner response is the R thresholding value. Take only the points of the local maximum workflow. Then there it is also the Harris corner detections algorithms. Now rotation invariance. So ellipse rotations, but the sharp eigenvalues remain the same. Corner response are is invariant to the large image. Harris corners and its detectors some properties of the partial invariant of find the intensity changes. Only derivatives are used invariance to the intensity shift of I equal to b. Then intensity scale a multiply of this. The thresholding of image scale a coordinators of this image coordinators like to this. Non-invariant to the image scales. All the points will be classified by the edge like to this. Geometric rotation symmetric rotations plus uniform scale. Affine scale depend on the directions valued for the orthogonal camera locally planets object. Then photometric affine intensity change like to this. This is the thank you.